It is 8 o'clock. Yeah, 8 o'clock. It is Christmas Eve, and I am so excited because we have so much fun things to do today. I am about to get music put on for the, you know, just the mood and stuff like that because I am super tired. I was up at like 2 o'clock today doing sewing, catching up on my sewing because I made my pajamas from scratch, and it was just one of those nights where I had to do an all-nighter, so I'm super tired. So I'm about to get the music playing in the background and get all the festive started. So I'm gonna put my pajamas on, or I don't know, I'm gonna start somewhere, but yeah, it's Christmas Eve and my kids are acting like brats. It's gonna be okay, Jeremy. It's gonna be okay. So first we're gonna get started on our hot cocoa station, which I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna set that up. But first, I need to do the mood. You need to set the mood. So I purchased these 3-piece circle mold, like silicone molds, to do the chocolate in. I also purchased these chocolate molds from my local store that all you have to do is just insert it in the microwave and it's gonna melt. So easy. You don't have to worry about tempering it or tempest, whatever how you say it, but yeah, you don't have to worry about that with this. So I thought this would be an easier way to do it. We're gonna put it in the microwave, remove the lid, and then we're gonna put it in there. Why? Say hi. What is that on your face, huh? So you have to put it in the microwave for like 30 minutes, 30 seconds. It says it on the instruction, but 30 seconds so you can get a melted consistency. And so once you get that consistency, you're going to use like a silicone like brush or silicone spoon. Right here I am using my daughter's feeding spoon and just with just silicone and just spreading it all over. You want to get like a solid coat in there. That is number one key, is to make sure you have a solid coat, because if not it would break if it's thin. So yeah, thin, not thin but solid. So thicken it up, put layers. Don't be afraid to add layers to that baby. And I am doing this way before I set up the cocoa station, just because I know it's going to take time for this to freeze, which I'm putting it in the freezer. I don't want it to turn into ice, but I do want it to get like a hard mold to it so I can pop it out. And make sure there's no pink, no color showing. Make sure everything is chocolatey. Spread it around just to make sure you get a full coverage. Like the whole time I'm doing this, I'm double checking to make sure everything's filled, because if you don't, you're not gonna have a round circle for your round ball. Like, it's just not gonna happen. And now that everything is covered, I'm gonna put it in the freezer. And now I'm just gonna start cleaning up my coffee area to start this hot cocoa station. So these right here from Amazon, and they come with little stickers, which I don't know if I'm gonna use them, but they're like little mason jars. London, please stop, baby. I think it's already. So they're like little mason jars. So I'm just gonna put everything in there so they could pick whatever they want. So I'm gonna have marshmallows. I'm gonna have crushed peppermints and chocolate chips. So to crush these peppermints, I wind up just using my rolling pin, which is metal, and just hitting it while it's in the package, so it's just an easy dump out. And I like these because these are the meltable ones that like melt easily. They're not the hard solid ones, so once you put it in like the hot cocoa, it's just gonna dissolve easily, which I'm not trying to say the other ones won't, but I just feel like this is a better idea, and that's just my opinion. Like, I think we have a right to our own opinions nowadays. And now it's for the marshmallows, which, you know, you just drop them in there, regular marshmallows. I have found the peppermint marshmallows at my local store, and those are not that bad. So if you want to try those out, go ahead and experiment because I liked it. And now it's time for some chocolate, which you can just throw the chocolates in there and make it extra chocolatey. Who don't like chocolate? And now it's time to set up the whole shebang. So, you know, you got your chocolate syrup, your chocolate, your caramel syrup, and your whipped cream. You know, there can't be no hot chocolate without whipped cream now. So now, once that is all set up, I am going to check in the refrigerator for these chocolate molds, and they are finished. And I'm popping them out. So the best way to pop these out, you want to just push from the bottom. The reason why I'm stretching them out is because my biggest fear was that the edges were gonna like break in, but once you just stretch it out, you want to just push the bottom and just push up. Yeah, like I did it again. I want to say I did them again the second time for Christmas Day. This is Christmas Eve, and when I did it Christmas Day, it came out better by just pushing it up. So don't overthink the process. Now here's the fun part, and the fun part is adding whatever you want to add inside of your hot cocoa bomb. So my favorite part is adding the marshmallows and the hot cocoa in there just to see the like dissolve, and then the marshmallows just to pop up. But you can add honestly anything in there: peppermint, sprinkles, glitter. They even have like edible glitter you can just add sometimes. But now this is I would like to say that this whole process went smoothly and perfectly, but it didn't. You can see I cracked one, and I had to remake more because I had to make 3 cocoa bombs because I have 3 children that drink hot cocoa. The youngest one don't. So, yeah. So I had to make another set. So the reason why that happened is because there wasn't chocolate around the whole thing. And to sync these babies together, you want to just roll it around melted chocolate that's already melted already, and just like turn them together so they can just stick. And there you go. You got a fully formed chocolate bomb. So that is done, and I have 2 more to go. So I'm just gonna put it down in a clean silicone mold and work on those. In the meantime, I'm gonna warm up some milk to get this party started. So for for the display, you know, everything have to have a cute display. I use these really cute pink cupcakes cups, and I just insert it in there, and then I'm gonna drizzle some caramel and some hot chocolate, well, some chocolate syrup on there just to give it that cute look. I promise you, when I did this Christmas Day, oh my god, that was bomb. I felt like it was just everything, because I had sprinkles on top. I used white chocolate instead of regular milk chocolate, but bomb. Same brand that I used for this one for the chocolate, but and now that all the bath bombs, all the chocolate hot cocoa bombs are done. It's time for the festive, and this is what I did for them for Christmas Eve because they love hot chocolate. So I thought this would be a fun way to wake up to Christmas Eve. So yeah, enjoy the festive with me. Aria.
I like when it's Christmas. Everybody has that. That's why you said to wake up because of Christmas. No.
It's good, Ari. Raina. Don't do that. Raina, don't do that. So the hot chocolate station and hot chocolate bombs were a success. Yay! Just gonna end this part now because if you can't see, my baby girl's getting kind of restless. So as soon as she goes to sleep, we're gonna start tidying up the house from the mess that we made. Say bye. Bye.